Health concerns can be a burden, but rest assured this video is here to lighten that load. Today we're diving into the world of beetroot, a humble vegetable that holds a wealth of benefits, especially for men. From boosting stamina to promoting heart health, beetroot's potential is rooted in science. This dark red powerhouse is packed with phytochemicals and bioactive compounds, which are the driving forces behind its numerous health benefits. Whether consumed fresh, juiced, or in supplement form, beetroot can be a game changer for your overall well-being. And the best part? Most people can enjoy these benefits without any significant side effects. So if you're looking to enhance your health naturally, you're in the right place. Stay tuned to learn how beetroot can improve your health and well-being. Imagine having the energy to conquer your day, every day. That's possible with beetroot. Now, you might be wondering, how does a humble vegetable like beetroot help in boosting stamina? Well, it all comes down to the science. Beetroot is high in nitrates, natural compounds that our bodies convert into nitric oxide. This nitric oxide plays a crucial role in our physical performance. It helps relax and dilate blood vessels, improving blood flow to our muscles. This means our muscles get more oxygen and nutrients they need during physical activities, resulting in a boost in stamina and endurance. Several studies back this up. One such study found that people who drank beetroot juice for several days had better stamina during intense workouts than those who did not. They were able to exercise for longer and reported less fatigue. Another research showed that beetroot could potentially enhance the efficiency of the mitochondria, the powerhouses of our cells. This means our bodies can produce energy more efficiently, helping us push through that extra mile or set of reps. But it's not only about athletic performance. This increase in stamina can translate into our everyday activities. Whether it's running after your kids, climbing stairs, or just getting through a busy day, beetroot can help you do it with less fatigue. And the best part? You can incorporate beetroot into your diet in various ways, fresh, juiced, or even in supplement form. So, whether you're an athlete looking to improve your performance, or someone who just wants to feel more energetic throughout the day, beetroot could be the superfood you're looking for. Fuel your body with beetroot and feel the difference in your stamina. Heart health is not something to take lightly. Beetroot can be your ally in maintaining a healthy heart. Let's delve into how this vibrant red vegetable can be a game changer for your cardiovascular health. Beetroot, also known scientifically as beta vulgaris, is packed with a host of beneficial compounds. But the real star of the show when it comes to heart health is nitric oxide. Nitric oxide is a molecule produced naturally by our bodies. It plays a critical role in maintaining the health of our blood vessels. It helps to relax and dilate the blood vessels, promoting better blood flow and reducing blood pressure. Now you might be thinking, what does beetroot have to do with nitric oxide? Well, beetroot is rich in nitrates, which your body can convert into nitric oxide. This means that by adding beetroot to your diet, you're essentially giving your body a helping hand in producing this heart-friendly molecule. A number of scientific studies back up this claim. For example, a study published in the Journal of Nutrition in 2014 found that participants who consumed a single portion of beetroot juice daily saw a significant reduction in blood pressure over a 4-week period. But the benefits don't stop there. Beetroot is also high in fiber, which is essential for maintaining healthy cholesterol levels. High cholesterol is a common issue that can lead to heart disease if left unchecked. The fiber in beetroot helps to bind cholesterol in your digestive system, preventing it from being absorbed into your bloodstream. In essence, beetroot offers a two-pronged approach to heart health. On one hand, it aids in the production of nitric oxide, helping to maintain healthy blood pressure levels. On the other, it provides a good dose of fiber, assisting in the regulation of cholesterol levels. Remember, while beetroot is a powerful ally, it isn't a cure-all. A balanced diet and regular exercise are key to maintaining heart health. Beetroot is a fantastic addition, but shouldn't replace other heart-healthy habits. Keep your heart beating strong with the help of beetroot. A healthy gut means a healthy body. Beetroot can help with that. Now that's something worth chewing on, isn't it? But before we dive into how beetroot helps with digestion, let's quickly touch base on why digestive health is so important. It's not just about avoiding discomfort or bloating. A healthy digestive system absorbs nutrients efficiently, boosts your immunity, and even influences your mood. Now, how does beetroot come into play? Well, beetroot is a high-fiber food, and we all know that fiber is the magic ingredient for good digestive health. It adds bulk to your meals, keeps you feeling full, and helps regulate bowel movements. This means beetroot can help prevent constipation and promote regularity for a healthy digestive tract. But that's not all. Beetroot is also rich in betaine. You might be thinking, betaine? What's that? Well, it's a type of phytonutrient that aids in liver function and helps to reduce inflammation in the digestive system. This means that consuming beetroot can help protect your digestive organs and promote their overall health. Moreover, beetroot is a source of nitrates, which are converted into nitric oxide in the body. Nitric oxide helps improve blood flow throughout the body, including the digestive system. Improved blood flow can lead to better nutrient absorption and overall digestive health. In conclusion, beetroot's fiber content, betaine, and nitrates work together to promote a healthy digestive system. They help maintain regular bowel movements, reduce inflammation in the digestive tract, improve liver function, and enhance nutrient absorption. So, if you're looking to optimize your digestive health, beetroot could be a great addition to your diet. And remember, a healthy gut is a cornerstone of overall health, so don't overlook the importance of good digestion. Optimize your digestive health with beetroot. Strong bones are the foundation of a healthy body. Beetroot can help you build that foundation. A vibrant, earthy vegetable, beetroot is rich in essential nutrients that contribute to healthy bones. Its high content of dietary fiber, vitamins, and antioxidants make it an excellent choice for those looking to enhance their bone health. The key to beetroot's bone-boosting powers lies within its rich array of bioactive compounds. One of these is silica, which helps the body to use calcium, a crucial element in bone health and growth. When you consume beetroot, you're not only getting calcium, but also the silica needed to utilize it effectively. But that's not all. Beetroot is also a good source of magnesium, a mineral that's crucial for maintaining bone density. Magnesium works in tandem with calcium to support bone health, ensuring that your bones stay strong and resilient. Without enough magnesium, bones can become brittle and susceptible to fractures. Beetroot is also packed with vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that plays a significant role in collagen synthesis. Collagen is a protein that provides structure to your bones, and vitamin C helps ensure that this process runs smoothly. But don't just take our word for it. Multiple scientific studies back up these claims. Research published in the journal Nutrition has shown that dietary nitrate, found in abundance in beetroot, has a positive effect on bone health. It helps to reduce the risk of osteoporosis and fractures, especially in postmenopausal women. So incorporating this superfood into your diet can do wonders for your bones. Remember, strong bones are not just about strength, they're about resilience and longevity too. Strengthen your bones with beetroot. Cancer prevention is a crucial aspect of health. Beetroot can be a part of your preventive measures. Beetroot, scientifically known as Beta vulgaris, is a dark red vegetable that is rich in phytochemicals and bioactive compounds. These compounds have been linked to a number of health benefits, one of which is cancer prevention. Researchers have found that the pigments that give beetroot its characteristic red color, known as betalains, have potent antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. These properties help to protect your cells from damage that can lead to cancer. In fact, studies have shown that betalains can inhibit the growth of certain types of cancer cells, including breast and prostate cancer. Furthermore, beetroot is high in fiber. A diet rich in fiber can help to reduce the risk of colorectal cancer. Fiber aids in maintaining a healthy digestive system by promoting regular bowel movements and reducing the amount of time that waste stays in your body. This can help to prevent the buildup of harmful substances that can lead to cancer. Moreover, beetroot contains a good amount of folate. This B vitamin plays a vital role in DNA synthesis and repair. By ensuring that your DNA is functioning properly, folate can help to prevent changes to your DNA that could lead to cancer. However, it's important to note that while beetroot can contribute to cancer prevention, it's not a standalone cure or preventive measure. It should be part of a balanced diet and a healthy lifestyle that includes regular exercise, adequate sleep, and regular checkups with your doctor. So why not add some beetroot to your meals? Not only will it add a vibrant color and a sweet, earthy taste to your dishes, but it could also play a role in keeping you healthy. Add beetroot to your diet and take a step towards cancer prevention. Erectile dysfunction can take a toll on a man's mental and physical health. Beetroot can offer a natural solution. Delving into the world of natural remedies, beetroot has shown promising results in potentially aiding those experiencing erectile dysfunction. This vibrant, earthy vegetable is more than just a colorful addition to your salad. It's packed with an array of beneficial bioactive compounds and phytochemicals. The magic of beetroot lies in its high content of nitrates. When consumed, these nitrates are converted into nitric oxide, a molecule that plays a significant role in vascular health. Nitric oxide helps to relax and widen blood vessels, increasing blood flow throughout the body, including to the penis. This improved blood flow can potentially aid in achieving and maintaining an erection. Backing this up, scientific research suggests a link between nitric oxide and erectile function. Studies have shown that many men with erectile dysfunction have low levels of nitric oxide. By boosting nitric oxide levels in the body, beetroot might help combat erectile dysfunction. Moreover, beetroot is high in antioxidants, which can help to prevent oxidative stress. Oxidative stress has been associated with erectile dysfunction, so by combating this, beetroot may further contribute to improved sexual health. Now, while beetroot may not be a cure-all, it certainly presents a natural, side effect-free option to try. Regular consumption of beetroot could potentially offer a range of health benefits, including improved sexual health. So, gentlemen, if you're looking for a natural way to potentially boost your sexual health, why not give beetroot a try? It's a small change that could make a big difference. Improve your sexual health with beetroot. We've learned a lot about the benefits of beetroot today. From boosting stamina to promoting heart health, aiding digestive health, maintaining bone strength, preventing cancer, and even potentially helping with erectile dysfunction, beetroot is indeed a superfood. It's a dark red vegetable packed with phytochemicals and bioactive compounds. Its high fiber content aids in digestion, while vitamins and antioxidants contribute to overall well-being. And let's not forget the nitric oxide content that can potentially benefit those struggling with erectile dysfunction. Remember, all these benefits can be obtained from regularly consuming beetroot in its various forms, fresh, juiced, or in supplement form. But as we always say, it's not just about what you consume, it's also about the quality of what you consume. That brings us to the high-quality, trustworthy men's health supplements that we recommend. These supplements are made in the USA from 100% natural ingredients. They're designed to complement a balanced diet and a healthy lifestyle. So if you're interested in boosting your vitality and sexual health, you can check out the link in our profile and the pinned comment. Please note that we are affiliated with the sales of these supplements. However, we only endorse products that we believe in and that align with our mission of promoting health and wellness. And as always, it's important to consult your healthcare provider before starting any new supplement regimen. Remember, every individual is unique, and what works for one might not work for another. Your health is our priority. In conclusion, beetroot is an incredibly beneficial vegetable, especially for men. So why not give it a try and experience the benefits for yourself? Remember to subscribe, like, and share our channel for more beneficial content. Thank you for watching.